Hey guys, what's going on? Wagwan, me peeps, wagwan, me peoples! Big up on yourself, Alain here with a brand new edition of White Boys Fragrance Corner. And yes, I am not at my usual filming spot, which only means one thing. Yeah, I'm in the beautiful island of Jamaica. And today, I finally found one of my grails. So I will be unboxing this and I'll do a first impressions. And most importantly, I am having a very special guest to join me on this episode. So stay tuned to see who the special guest is. Hey guys, welcome back. And as you can see, this is my very special guest. You want to go ahead and introduce yourself?
Okay, if you guys seen one of his videos or most of his videos, he has did some shout outs to 3 people, Alana, Lashana and Kendra. And he said those are her 3 daughters and Alana is the youngest. I'm Alana!
That's right guys, that's Alana. Finally was able to travel to spend time with the family, especially in the upcoming Christmas season that's coming up, and to recharge my battery and stuff. Go ahead man, sit down, don't be too excited. How are you feeling about this? You excited?
Yeah.
Your first video shoot with daddy?
Yeah.
You need to look into the camera. Don't be shy. Anyway, she's a bit shy. This is her first video, but we'll get there. Anyways guys, as you all know, I'm a huge Issey Miyaki fan. Issey Miyaki is a designer house. They make clothing as well, and they make perfumes, and I'm a big fan of their perfumes. Hold on, we soon get to this. The last Issey Miyaki video I did was of Lodi Issey or Essence, which I absolutely love. That's a lovely leather, rose and incense fragrance. And I was always talking about this one, Noir Ambre, which was like a grail to me, and I finally found it. This was a bit hard to come by, but I found it. Thank God for duty free.
It's because he traveled.
Exactly.
He didn't come to me. And he would have found it.
Yeah, I wouldn't have found it yet, so alright. So let's get down to business, right? Unboxing. Now, the packaging is similar to our Essence. It's a bit more solid, it's not as flimsy, it's a bit more exclusive looking. This is dark blue and gold.
Can I unbox it?
You can. Right? This of course is 100 ml and you want to unbox it?
Yeah.
So you need to pull it.
Yeah. Yeah, I know.
Alright, go ahead, unbox it, but you need to show it to the camera. Hold yourself. And then you pull it out like this. Pull it right out. And then the fragrance is in here. It fits snug in here. There's some packaging foam. So
Kind of look like a phone.
almost, yeah, it's similar to a phone case. And here you have the bottle guys. Lodi Issey Pour Homme Noir Ambre. Your typical Issey Miyaki bottle. Lodi Issey, that is. This is almost like his signature bottle. The cap fits very snug in place. And yeah. So let's see what the atomizer is like. I'm not gonna spray it on you first. We need to show them the atomizer first.
What is the atomizer?
It's a sprayer. So here we go. Oops.
Wrong way.
Wrong way. Here we go. Found it.
Okay.
Very lovely atomizer. Alright? You want some?
Yeah.
And I'm going to leave the note breakdown in the description below. It's a bit strong?
A bit.
No? I guess it's a bit too strong for her. So, I've actually had very high expectations for this. And You're back.
Yeah.
And just based on first impressions, it actually has met my expectations. I know it's not something that you would like because you're younger. You like it. What do you like about it?
I like the fragrance.
Why? Why do you like it? I'm gonna put you on the spot, you know.
I like it because it smells like something I smelled before.
It's something like something you smelled before. You definitely get amber. Again, I don't know the note breakdown. I haven't looked it up. It's definitely not a fresh fragrance. It's more like a summer, not summer, it's more of a winter and fall and early spring when it's still cold out.
I like winter.
You like winter?
Yeah.
Awesome. Excuse the noise in the background. We're shooting this. As I said, I'm not in my studio shooting it. This is live and direct, so I definitely get some amber in this. I get something woody and woody. Not sure if those are notes in the fragrance, but I'll see. Now, just based on first impressions, this has surpassed my expectations. I did have high expectations for this. I knew this wasn't going to disappoint, and again, this is one of those scents from Issey Miyaki that it's almost niche quality. I mean, if you wouldn't know the designer, you would say it is some niche brand. And I'm definitely glad I finally have this in my collection. I was looking for this for a while. So once I'm back in Switzerland in the cold, I'll definitely be giving this some wear so I can do a full review for you guys. But so far, I like it. I like it, I really do. Yeah, I'm definitely glad I have it in my collection. So, on to the next one. I won't really tell you guys what my next Grail is, but as soon as I have it, I'll let you guys know. Alright? Oh, if you haven't subscribed as yet, what should I do?
Subscribe and hit that like button.
Precisely, and you can follow me on Instagram as well at whiteboys_fragrance_corner. Alright? So with that said and out of the way, stay blessed, stay safe. We are out.